Hey everyone, Sam here. And let me start by asking you something. What if you could wake up every morning richer than when you went to bed? Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the twist. Making money while you sleep isn't just for millionaires. It's something you can realistically achieve, starting today. I'm sure you've heard of the usual passive income methods like renting properties or selling eBooks, but today we're diving into some truly unique passive income ideas that you probably haven't heard of. Ideas that genuinely work and can change your financial life. Let's start with one that's seriously overlooked: licensing your ideas or inventions. Before you say, Sam, I'm not Thomas Edison, hear me out. You don't need groundbreaking inventions to earn money from licensing. Did you know that the inventor of the Post-it note became wealthy simply because he licensed his simple, reusable adhesive? According to Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, licensing intellectual property can be one of the smartest and most lucrative moves you ever make. All you need is a marketable idea or design. Then companies pay you ongoing royalties while you literally do nothing else. But exactly how do you find a company willing to license your ideas? Don't worry, we'll cover that in just a minute. Next up, digital real estate. You've probably heard about real estate investing, but digital real estate is the hidden gold mine that almost nobody talks about. Think of websites, blogs, or niche social media pages as digital properties. Once built, they generate ad revenue, affiliate commissions, and sponsorships consistently over time. And the best part? You don't need tech skills to start. Services like Empire Flippers allow you to buy existing profitable websites, immediately generating passive income. But how much money can you realistically make? I'll reveal actual numbers shortly, but first, let's jump into another powerful method. Subscription-based newsletters. Sounds simple, but this is a game changer. Platforms like Substack allow anyone to create content about their expertise, from cooking to stock market analysis. Once you build a loyal subscriber base, people pay monthly to access your content. Legendary investor Warren Buffett famously said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." And newsletters can literally earn money as you dream. But here's a big question. What if you're not an expert at anything? Trust me, you know more than you think, and I'll prove it to you shortly. Now, back to licensing your ideas. To find companies interested in your intellectual property, platforms like InventRight or Edison Nation act as brokers connecting inventors with big brands hungry for fresh ideas. Some deals pay thousands of dollars annually in royalties just for a single simple idea. Incredible, right? And remember digital real estate? A well-chosen blog or website can yield between $500 to over $5,000 monthly, entirely passively. For instance, a gardening blog making $1,000 monthly from ads and affiliates recently sold for $30,000 on Empire Flippers. That's immediate cash in your pocket or continuous passive income. But maybe you're wondering, what if you can't afford a digital property up front? Don't worry, there's a clever way around it that I'll explain very soon. Let's circle back to the newsletter idea. Think you're not an expert? Guess what? Most successful paid newsletters simply curate valuable content. Tim Ferriss, best-selling author of The 4-Hour Workweek, emphasizes that becoming an effective curator of knowledge can be just as profitable as creating original content. Simply put, you gather great information from different sources and deliver it conveniently to your subscribers, saving them valuable time. How do you actually get subscribers, though? I'll share a simple strategy shortly. Another highly lucrative yet under-the-radar method is investing in vending machines, but not the snack kind you're thinking of. Specialized vending machines, think healthy snacks, electronics accessories, or even skincare products, can earn substantial passive income, often generating around $500 to $2,000 monthly per machine. You fill it once every few weeks and it sells products around the clock, no employees needed. Curious how much it costs to get started and exactly how much you can earn? I'll break down real figures shortly. But first, let's revisit digital real estate with an affordable alternative: building your own simple blog or YouTube channel. Yes, it takes time initially, but here's the secret. Once content ranks in search engines or YouTube's algorithm, you earn ad revenue and affiliate commissions continuously. It's truly passive once established. Ever heard of Pat Flynn from Smart Passive Income? He makes over $100,000 monthly from content created years ago. The key is choosing topics wisely and being consistent. Now, about those vending machines. Here's exactly how affordable and profitable they can be. Purchasing one specialized vending machine typically costs between $2,000 to $5,000. The products usually sell with a huge markup, around 200 to 300%, making your investment back within months. Want a real-life example? Entrepreneur Jaime Abanez famously turned a few vending machines into a six-figure passive income business. Inspired yet? So, which of these ideas resonates most with you? Or perhaps you're wondering, can you combine multiple methods for an even stronger passive income stream? The answer is absolutely yes, and the potential is limitless. Stick around, because next I'll explain exactly how to blend these methods for maximum passive earnings. Ready to build your wealth while you sleep? Let's keep going. Now, combining these methods strategically can amplify your passive income faster than you imagine. Picture this. You purchase or create a small digital property, a niche website or YouTube channel. While it's growing and starting to generate ad revenue, you integrate a subscription newsletter offering premium content or insights, converting casual viewers into loyal, paying subscribers. But here's the brilliant part. You don't even have to create all the content yourself. Consider outsourcing through platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. You give the instructions once and freelancers manage your content, ensuring everything runs smoothly, day or night, while you're out enjoying life or working on other projects. Let's deepen this strategy further. Remember those specialized vending machines? Imagine placing them strategically in locations frequented by your newsletter or digital content audience. If your niche website or channel focuses on fitness, wellness-focused vending machines in gyms or health studios naturally complement your online presence. Your passive income streams reinforce each other, growing together. But let's address the biggest obstacle many people face: getting started without substantial upfront cash. Is passive income truly achievable with minimal investment? Absolutely, and here's how. Affiliate marketing is a powerful, low-cost way to start. But wait, I'm not talking about the usual Amazon affiliates or crowded markets. I'm talking about high-ticket affiliate marketing, recommending products or services that earn commissions in the hundreds or thousands per sale. For example, recommending high-value software, online courses, or even luxury travel services. John Crestani, a famous affiliate marketer, once said, "Your income grows exponentially when you promote higher-value offers rather than low-priced products." Now, how do you make high-ticket affiliate marketing truly passive? The key is content that ranks organically. This means blog posts, YouTube videos, or even Pinterest pins that keep driving visitors to your affiliate links for years. Here's an insider secret. Creating a thorough review or guide about a high-ticket product just once can earn passive commissions continuously for months or even years afterward. Another genuinely innovative passive income strategy almost no one mentions is investing in royalties through platforms like Royalty Exchange. Ever heard of it? Essentially, you buy a small portion of future royalties from music tracks, movies, or books. Each time these pieces earn money, whether through streaming services, sales, or licensing, you receive your share automatically. You literally earn money every time someone listens to a song or watches a show you invested in. Can you imagine getting paid every time someone streams music on Spotify? Let's make this even clearer with a fascinating example. An investor on Royalty Exchange recently bought rights to a catalog of music tracks for just under $5,000. Today, they're earning hundreds of dollars monthly as the songs continue gaining popularity and streams. Talk about earning money in your sleep. Finally, let's tackle one of the most underrated yet potentially profitable passive income sources: owning digital billboard space. Wait, billboards? That's right. But not physical billboards, digital ones. Companies like Blip let you purchase digital billboard time remotely, which you then resell to local businesses at higher rates. You become a digital middleman, simply scheduling ads online and collecting the difference. Now you might wonder, is digital billboard advertising really profitable? Surprisingly, yes. Investors have reported returns of hundreds of percent by purchasing billboard slots in high-traffic cities and reselling them to small businesses looking for affordable local advertising. The beauty is, after initial setup, it requires minimal ongoing effort. By now, you're probably realizing that passive income isn't just possible. It's within your reach today, with the right ideas and strategies. So, which methods resonate with you the most? High-ticket affiliate marketing? Digital royalties? Vending machines? Or perhaps digital billboard advertising? Remember, diversification is key. Millionaire investor Ray Dalio famously advised, "Diversifying well is the most important thing you need to do to invest well." Don't limit yourself to one passive income stream. Combine methods strategically, automate them whenever possible, and enjoy watching your wealth grow while you sleep. Ready to change your financial future forever? Start today. Choose your first method and commit to consistent action. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for joining me today. Now go out there and start making money passively, even while you're sleeping.